If you want to get better at pleasing a female better in your life, keep watching this video. Or if you're a female yourself and you want to hear the female perspective of our anatomy and what actually feels good, keep watching. I literally drew you a diagram, so I'm just gonna tell you what I like. I have a lot of friends that I've also talked to this about, and they say very similar things, so take it or leave it. Here's me, here's the, okay? I put number 1 here because number 1 is mental stimulation. What they need to get out of their brain. If you're intimate with a female, they 100% need to get out of their brain and into their body. So what can you do to do that? Compliment, praise, whatever they're into to get their mind stimulated. Don't ask them questions. Just do whatever you're gonna do. If you want them to change positions, literally flip them. Make them mindless. That's number 1. Get them into it. I put a number 2 on the heart because it's just not as important as the mental stimulation for me. I can hook up with people if they have this number 1 quality. If they can talk, I can hook up. So second, this girl, whoever you're intimate with, they just need to feel like you love them, even if you don't love them. It's messed up, but that's what's gonna get them to finish. Don't like lie to them outside of the bedroom. Be honest, but like when you're in the moment, make them feel like you're literally in love with them and would lick the dirt off their toes. Number 3, for actual physical pleasure and what to do with your tongue, do this slowly, up and down here, or even like circles here, but slow. No one listens. Go slow. When you think you're going too slow, go slower. I'm serious. This is the CLIT, not this. We have some folds here by the actual hole. That's not the CLIT. I've been asked this, okay? So it's up high, and some people have it to where it like covers, so you kind of have to like to see it, but it's up top. It's where the like skin starts. Oh, by the way, number 2 is also, okay? Don't do this before this, because honestly, it makes me nauseous. I don't know if anybody else feels like that, but it makes me nauseous if someone starts here and I'm not there. Okay, this offends a lot of men, but we can live without this. Okay, we can live without this. Focus on this, and this needs to be just like the cherry on top. This makes it even better. We can finish with this alone, but this kind of makes it like a double whammy, and it's just more intense. Okay, hope that helps.